How to get verified on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Threads is a new app from Instagram. And if you open up the app, you will see that there are some accounts that are verified. They have the blue badge next to them, while others does not have that badge or verification on them. Now, how can you get this badge yourself and get verified on this app? As I said previously, this app is from Instagram and it is directly linked with the Instagram app. So in order for you to get verified on this app, you need to be verified on the Instagram app, as it is considered to be part of Instagram, and there's no way for you to get verified on this app alone. Well, at least as of right now, no one knows what will happen in the future. So if you want to get verified on Instagram, go ahead and open up the app. It's very easy and simple process. Just follow these steps. Once you do that, head over to your profile page right here, and from there click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, and then here you need to scroll down to find the section that says for professionals. From there click on account type and tools, and here from the second section that says tools, click on request verification, and you will land on this page right here where you'll be able to request the blue verification badge, as you can see on your account. So you just need to go through these steps, and keep in mind that this is a as you can see, not for everyone. So uh, no one knows who if you are will get verified or not. So just do your best, and yeah. So this is the only way to get verified on this new app as of the time of this recording. If there are any updates, I will make videos in the future explaining it any further. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. That was how to get verified on the new Threads app from Instagram. With that said, see you in the next video.